be showing my love for baking. I have learned how to bake through my mother, and though I am not a very great baker, I still love to do it because my mom loves to do it. And it is something that I share with her that is very important, and it shows our quality time that we spend together and how close our relationship is. First thing that you need to do when buying a cake is buying the ingredients and sometimes cake mix if you are using it, which is what I will be using today. You can buy these ingredients and cake mix at the grocery store, the convenience store, or for a cheaper option that many people may look for is the dollar store. Ingredients that you would need is cake mix, which it says on the back of the box. You will need 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 3 eggs, which we have all here today. How to bake. You will need to mix all of your ingredients until you have a liquid that is batter and you are able to put it into the pan. Once you pour it into the pan, you will have to bake it at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you have taken your cake out of the oven and it is cooled off completely, you will have to make either your own frosting, store-bought frosting, or you can put different fun ingredients like sprinkles, or you can put fruit on the top of your cakes, which I personally love putting fruit. But when I do not put fruit, I put either cream cheese frosting that my mom makes and it's very delicious, or I put store-bought frosting. So, today, first thing you will need to do is follow the instructions on the box, which is putting your cake mix into the bowl. Just like that, which I have decided to use strawberry cake today because I think that strawberry cake is very good. You have to put 3 eggs, as it says on the box. You need 3 eggs. That's 1 egg. 2 eggs. And then you will now have 3 eggs and your mix in the bowl. Once you have your 3 eggs and mix in the bowl, you add 1 cup of water. After you have included all of your ingredients into the bowl, which it is a very simple recipe, you only need 3 ingredients. You will have to mix your ingredients together until you have a batter, which your batter should be liquid and you want all of the clumps from the mix out of the batter. So you mix until you have that, and it'll start turning a different color, which mine is strawberry, so it's turning a dark pink rather than a light batter. Once completed with that, you are going to want to preheat your oven to the set time on your box of mix and pour it into a non-stick pan so it is not stuck to the pan once you bake it, because that is no fun and you will not be able to get your cake out. Or if you are to use a non-stick pan, you will want to spray the bottom of it with either Pam or olive oil, or you can even rub butter on it. Once you are done mixing your batter should look just like this. You can use a glass dish, or if you have a different non-stick pan, you can also use that. Once you're done, you pour your batter and evenly spread it throughout the pan so it is not an uneven cake. You have to make sure that you mix all the bottom, because if you don't, you have powder towards the bottom and it's just not good once you mix it in with your cake. Just like this, so it's evenly spread. Now, after this, I will be putting my cake in the oven and waiting 15 to 20 minutes for it to bake, and then I will apply my toppings and frosting. This baking cakes is a very fun activity to do with friends, or even if it's just a rainy day, or like I said, I do this with my mom because it is a special bonding activity that we both enjoy, and we are able to have a fun time while doing this, and it's just a fun thing overall to do. I really hope that this is an informational and you are learning how to bake a cake, even though it is very simple instructions and you can follow right here on the box. Thank you.